Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Freiberg, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you need to do for this activity. So I've gotten some questions, and I know yesterday I was out, and today I'm doing MCA testing. So I'm going to do this really quick, and then I'll upload it. I'll send it out to all of you, hopefully once I get the day started, and I'll get going. So it is a meiosis activity, so right here it says read through the passages below and study the diagrams. They're also listed in this PDF that's attached. So we can go over here to this PDF. If you take a look through it, it tells you you're just going to read through these passages, you're going to study the diagrams, you're going to read through this information, and then, so there's 2 pages of it. And if I go back, bear with me. There is a color by number activity. This is the color by number activity you need to do. Now you're going to answer these questions, follow the directions on the other page provided, and some answer choices will not be used. So we need to know what is the process of reproduction in genetic material in a non-sex cell. Okay, so I would need to draw a line from this question to the correct answer. So is it first, the same, cytoplasm, nucleus, half the, third, 2, fourth, interphase, meiosis, second, mitosis, cytokinesis, or 4? Okay, what's my question again? It's the process of reproduction of genetic material in non-sex cells. Okay, I know meiosis is needed to produce those sex cells because then we get 4 haploid daughter cells, 4 different daughter cells. So this one has to be mitosis. Okay, so I would draw a line from mitosis all the way up to question number 1. You're going to do that for all of your questions. You're going to draw a line between the two. Then, once you get them all done, what you're going to do is you're going to look down here and you're going to say, okay, number 1 was mitosis. It says this one is, the color is gray. So up in your color by number activity, you're going to look for all the numbers that are number 1. So I see one right here. I see one right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Every single number 1 here, you're going to color in gray. Okay? Now remember, once you have all of your questions answered, so like number 2, it says, what is the process of reproduction of genetic material in sex cells? Well, if mitosis is the process of reproduction of genetic material in non-sex cells, then meiosis has to be the process of reproduction in genetic material in sex cells. So, is there meiosis somewhere? Right here. It's this one right here, meiosis. And you see the answer is in lowercase letters. What color it's telling you to color that particular one. So you're going to draw a line from this answer, because it's like a matching activity, to question number 2. But you're not done then, because you still have to go up here and you have to color in all the number 2s in yellow, because it's telling us for that question and for that answer, we have to color that in yellow. Okay? Hopefully that helps you. And then you will you'll turn it in right here. So just like normal, add attachment, upload, and let's just pretend we're going to upload something. Let's pretend we're going to upload this one. So we're going to upload that, and then once we're done, you would say update. Mine says update, yours might say submit, whatever it says. And then you would go ahead and submit that. All right, hopefully that helps. I'll talk to you all soon.